Okay, today I got the Oak Creek. This is from Oak Creek Outdoor Supplies. I got a hammock, and we're going to take a look at it and see what all came in the package. So, we're going to take a look at that. Okay, this is from Oak Creek Outdoor Supplies. Comes into this nice little bag here. And in the bag says, this is from the Lost Valley. It's a premier, it's a hammock. This is going to show my hammock, okay. So, we'll open this up. And the first bag, you get one bag here. Alright, with its little pouch. Okay, and in the second bag, this is the second bag you get. Alrighty, and then the third bag, you get this. So these are the three bags you get that is inside of the big bag. So you get the little black bag, a gray bag, and this. Alright, so this would be our straps. Yes, this is the tarp straps in this one. Okay, it's got the, where you can loop it around. It's sewed pretty good. There's two of them. One for each tree. So, I'm trying to see at the very bottom of this, as we unroll it, it's got your other sewn loop, and it's got your adjustable where you can tighten it or loosen it right here. It's got where you can adjust it. So there's the two loops that went into that bag. Okay. This bag would be your fly tarp. This would be the fly tarp. I'm going to get this out outside and show you the tarp outside. And this would be the hammock one. Yeah, that would be the hammock. It does have a bug net. So this would be the hammock. I'm going to show this again outside too. I'm going to go outside and put this up. So this is what I got so far. We're going to go outside and open this up and show you what the hammock looks like. So come with me.
Setting up the Oak Creek Outdoor Supply. First came out, I have the Oak Creek hammock in that pack. This is the Oak Creek, this is the fly. And then this one is the straps. Okay, so this is after we got it hooked up. He's inside the hammock. We actually have it tied to the tree with the The fly is on top, or we haven't got the fly up yet. But this is the hammock. We got it a little bit lower than it needs to be, but we'll have to put it up a little bit higher the next time. Is it comfortable? Lay sideways, like diagonally. Does the material feel a little bit better than the other one?
I don't know. I was laying on the blue today at the bus.
Alright, so I'm inside my tarp. We got the tarp
In
up.
the hammock.
We're in my hammock. It's got the bug screen on. Okay. You could probably side sleep in here. It's got a lot of room as far as like if I want to lay diagonally.
Oh, you're short.
Ah, that's pretty comfortable right there. This is my level spot right here. If I laid like this. This is actually very comfortable right here. Laying diagonally. It's got a little pocket right here if I want to put my, like maybe my watch or my phone, my cell phone in there or something.
Your glasses.
My glasses. It's got quite a bit of room in here. The material isn't that, it's pretty good. I will be putting an air mattress in here, or a sleep pad, and I will also be putting my blanket in here, my Ruby. But this is how it shows to set it up. There's some things I think I'm going to change about it. I think I would want to put, I'm going to put some carabinas on the straps because I like to be able to just click it and have the rope already there. But it does keep the net. I mean, the net is way up there. So I guess if you want the net to go out further, you would just put your ropes up a little bit higher. Now with this tarp, you can put it diagonally or you could put it square. It is a fairly big size tarp. I'm not sure what the size is. We'll have to measure it and see what the size is. But, let me see. I just lost my sweet spot. I had it just a second ago. Here he is in his hammock. We got
5:30, you got to come out and get me because I got to go work out.
All right, at 5:30 in the morning. Okay, so he's got his under quilt on. He's got his sleeping pad, and he's got his boobie in there. And we have the tarp is up here. This is the hammock. And this is him. Are you in your sweet spot, dear?
Nope.
Sideways. Go sideways then.
Why would I go sideways?
Until you get your sweet spot. So you're laying level. Hey, that looks like it's pretty level. Alright. I'll see you in the morning. Night. Okay, today I got a gold armour rainfly. So we're going to take it out and check it out and see how big it is and what it's like. But this is our new, let me push this down this way now. Gold armour rainfly. We're going to take it outside and check it out. See how it looks. I'll bring you out with me and we'll look at it later. Alright, let's get outside and check it out. Alright, we're going to put up the gold armour tarp. Open it up out of the bag and see how it sets up.